Today I'm going to talk about the clear method in Python list, right? What is that? Let's see. The clear method removes all the elements from a list, making it an empty list, right? So if you want to clear the list, then you will use the clear method, right, in Python list, right? So this is the the syntax of clear method. List name dot clear, and you will give the parenthesis, right? And list name, the list you want to empty, right? The clear removes all items from that list, right? So now we have an example of the clear method, right? Now I want to remove the all elements from the list, and then I will use the name of list, right? Then I will use the clear method, right? Then I will print on the screen. You will get the empty output, right? Now I've run this program. You will get the empty list, right? You're not allowed to give the index value something else. Just write the clear method, right? You will use the name of data dot clear, and you will give the parenthesis, right? Now I will print on the screen. That is output, right? Now we have 3 and 4 example. Do your 3 and 4 example of the string and boolean list. You will use the clear method and clear the list, right, to yourself. And note, only lists support the clear method, right? You are not allowed to use in set, dictionary, and tuple, right? So this is all about the clear method in Python list, right? If you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel.